Hello everyone, Sam here from myforestmagicwave.com. Okay, this is the third video I'm making tonight. The last video I made, I showed you Euro Aussie and my entry Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie right after the news, right? The Aussie news. Aussie was getting weaker, and in Euro Aussie, I said my target is 61.88. It is going for 61.88. So now you can see here that it came to 61.88. My trade was still alive, but I closed right here. Enough is enough, right? So it's slow time, 90 pip, that's fine, thank you. And but I didn't get the same thing in Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie was pain very bad. I was knocked out here first, then I got knocked out here. This is my second entry here, got knocked out. My third entry here, got knocked out, and then the fourth entry again. Okay, this one I got knocked out because I went up a little bit and then it took me out. That's what happened, right? But all four I didn't. I lost maybe in one of those, like 5 pip. I made 5 pip in the first one. So basically, way positive. Okay, this is the key, that if you know the direction after the news, that this is what it is, even if this happens, you keep going in the same direction, and eventually you're gonna catch the big one. This is not a big one, but at least something. So but yeah, that's this covers everything, right? Euro Aussie. So one of them goes good and you are good. Beside that, I had a couple of more. Remember the last video I said that there's a USD news coming at, not news, but the Fed guy Powell. He's supposed to come out and talk, and there was red news that USD might move, but basically what happened is didn't move. Let me show it to you. This is my USD profile. This is USD index is doing. So after dropping, it went up. It is in a reversal zone. So I was expecting that he might say something and USD might start getting weaker, and these pair will go up, these pair will come down. So this went up before the news. This up move before the news, it was a profit taking. But after the news, not the news, after Powell start talking, basically these pair just didn't move at all. Okay, so no trade in USD pair. This is what is all about, that you don't make the trades based on anything. You make the trade based off the movement. If the move start, if there is a trade moving in the direction and there is a reason to move, then, and if there is a setup, play by the rule, you are safe. Okay, so no trade here, but I was in Euro Aussie and not Euro Aussie, sorry, Euro USD and Pound USD before the news from early today. This is the entry in my Pound USD. Let me show it to you. I was early, and then early in, and I closed that. Look, this is the one. This is the 9 July to early. This was 8 it's around, early the day, like Frankfurt London Open. Then I got in here, and then this morning, before the USD news was expected, I closed. Okay, so this is how I save myself off this retracement right now. So this one and a little bit of Euro USD. So I closed both before the news, before 8:45. But I had something, and because Euro USD was all along was dropping, a lot of entries, right? So this is a very strong, was a very strong support, 1192. So I closed here. So this is it for today. Today's story ends here. All the trades are closed, and now probably I think that there is a news schedule for, let's see here, nothing major. 2 o'clock FOMC guy is gonna come and talk. I'm not interested. I need to sleep. I'll go to sleep and I rest, right? I will take my rest. This is all garbage. What I will wait for is this 8:30 Aussie news again, right? So Euro Aussie went up, and not only Euro Aussie went up, but very interesting. I'm going to show you something real quick. If I have it here, which I don't have it here. Okay, anyway, I'll show you later because I don't want to change the profile. But Euro Aussie is making now a 33-minute short setup. So it went up all the way, but now I'm expecting, because the 33-minute short setup, if it start to play out, then I will take short entries from 7-minute chart. Okay, and I will use my, again, the profile, Aussie profile, for that. Let me see, let me just change it and see if yeah, Aussie profile. This is because USD game is over, nothing happened there. So if you don't have any trade, you don't have any trade. Every news not gonna give you any trade. But if you have one or two in a day, think you're lucky. Okay. And but play safe. This is, I just showed you step by step tonight, right? Because there is still an email that I have to answer and make a video for, that he's asking if I have two monitors, how do I set up my chart. So, and he's my subscriber, so I'm going to make a different video in detail for him, and then send out to my subscribers. These videos I'm making for everyone else, everybody can understand. What happened, man? I destroyed my, why it didn't change? Oh, now it's changing, dummy. Right, see, okay, this is what I'm talking about. So Euro Aussie, it went up, right? But now it is a very nice, proper short setup at 61.88 level, and it's already pulling back, right? And Elliott wave count, this is wave 1, 2, wave 3, and wave 4 of wave 3 is at 38% at the level. So it's beautiful setup, but a short setup. What I would do is, I need 7-minute short entry. So let it turn, let it make a turn. If it is going to drop, then just like this one, it went up, came down, blah blah blah, and then long entry goes up. Here it's gonna have the same thing will happen here if it is going to drop, and then I'll make my entries from 7-minute tonight, and I'll make the videos again. Okay, and so that you will feel confident. This is what happened on a weekly chart. Okay, so we went up and we are very close. We are actually, this is 61.38, this is 61.88. This is where we're getting stopped here. So if we drop, maybe this time we're gonna drop all the way to back to the TL. Okay, so this is it for now. And these are my trades. This is pound USD, Euro USD, and then this is pound Aussie, went up, and this is the good one today, the big one, 90 pips on Euro Aussie. All right, so like I said, today's story ends. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna just upload this video and then sleep. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.